A special session has met its constitutional 3-day requirement. A lot of business has been done over the past 3 days, and there was a chance more could have been added. There's always that chance. Jay Bird joining us now live at the Capitol to recap what happened in the final day of the session and what didn't.
Well, Bob, just when you think you have it all figured out, they throw a little bit of a curveball in there. Well, there were several items that were on the governor's initial call for this special session, all of which were addressed, but then some lawmakers wanted to add a few more things after that.
The General Assembly breezed through a slew of bills they had for the special session, most notably passing income tax cuts, which would eventually drop the top rate to 4.9% and provide $500 million a year in tax relief to Arkansans.
The bill and the emergency clause have passed.
Once the business of the call was complete, some lawmakers wanted to extend the session.
I move that the Arkansas Senate vote to extend the second extraordinary session
to regulate abortion in Arkansas, to save the lives of unborn children.
Senator Jason Rapert and Representative Mary Bentley motioned to add their heartbeat bill to the call. Supporters lobbied their colleagues to add the proposal.
In Texas, babies' lives are being saved today.
There's never the wrong time to do the right thing, and we can save children's lives here in Arkansas.
Ultimately, both attempts to extend the session failed, and the General Assembly was done with their business.
The motion carried. Senate's adjourned, sine die.
And the House is adjourned, sine die.
On Thursday afternoon, Governor Asa Hutchinson then signed those tax cuts into law. The governor saying the cuts are responsible and the growth of the economy balances it out.
We're growing as a state. We're creating jobs, and that's producing a climate that we can be more competitive in our tax cut.
Governor Hutchinson said it was poor form to diminish tax cuts for low-income earners, even though it is a bigger percentage of a cut for that bracket.
They would rather trust government to spend the money wisely versus putting it in the pockets of individuals. And I disagree with that philosophically.
When asked if the goal is to eventually get to no state income tax in Arkansas, the governor said he just wants to take it step by step.
Let's enjoy this moment. We've got a plan out for the next couple of years. I don't think we need to go beyond that right now.
The governor also signed a bill that would amend the recycling tax credit bill, and he also authorized the use of $50 million to use for tax credits for a proposed U.S. Steel project in eastern Arkansas. Secretary of Commerce Mike Preston spoke with him this afternoon, and he hopes that Arkansas will know what U.S. Steel will do with that proposed $3 billion project, hopefully here in the next couple of weeks. We'll definitely keep you updated if that does come to fruition. But for now, live from the state capitol, Jay Burt, KARK 4 News.